Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the OPPO Enco M32 wireless earphones. On the front of the box, we have an image of the earphones itself. On the left hand side, we have the OPPO Enco branding, and on the bottom right, we have the model number, which is M32. On the right hand side of the box, we simply have some OPPO branding. On the left hand side, we have the full name of the product. There is nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back of the box, we have a few of the salient features right here, so let's go through them one by one. It has 10 minutes of charge will give you 20 hours of music playback time, 28 hours battery life in total, bass boost functionality, IP55 dust and water resistance. It also has dual device fast switching and Bluetooth 5.0 for low latency transmission. Over here we have a few of the technical specifications, which include charging input voltage of 5 volts at 2 amperes and the size, that is the dimension of the product, which is 90.14 by 2.29 by 2.13 centimeters. The net weight is 26.8 grams. Over here we have some details regarding the customer care, and right at the bottom we have the information regarding the manufacturing and importing. Over here we have the symbol that shows us that this product is BIS certified. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you get started off with using the device, and we recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using it. Up next is the charging cable. It has a USB Type-A interface on one end and a USB Type-C interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 20 inches long. We also have additional ear tips right here in sizes smaller and larger than the ear tips that are already on the earbuds. While on the subject of the earbuds, we can see that it is finished in a glossy black as opposed to the rest of the earphones, which are finished in a matte black. The earbuds are also magnetic and they are pretty strong. So basically this magnet helps prevent the earbuds from dangling around when the earbuds are around your neck. Coming to the neckband, one side, which is this side, has the control interface. Here on the inside we have the volume rocker with the plus and minus symbols. In the middle we have the multifunction button to turn the device on or off, and also to play and pause music. Underneath the control interface we have a little hatch that has the USB Type-C input for charging. To get started with using these earphones, all we need to do is separate the earbuds, which will turn the device on. As we can see here, thanks to this flashing LED light. This indicates that it is currently in pairing mode. Next, we will look for the device's name in the available devices section of the Bluetooth menu of any smartphone. As we can see, it shows up right here, OPPO Enco M32, that's its Bluetooth name. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. And here we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is 80%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the OPPO Enco M32 wireless earphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.